name is Leslie Guzman. I'm from Los Angeles, California. I graduated in 1974 from level 1. And I'm also a single mom of 4.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Vivian Pintula. I'm a graduate of Lamuan, batch 1974. I am from Southern California, Orange County, and I'm married and I have 2 children. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Melissa Espiritu Sadriano. I'm married and no kids yet. I'm from Roosevelt College, Rodriguez, from first year to third year, and I graduated at Roosevelt College, Kainta. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Cynthia Furlo. I'm from Las Vegas, Nevada. Married with 5 boys. And I graduated from Roosevelt Rodriguez, batch E.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. We have the 6 finalists for Miss RC System for 2012. So while the judges are waiting, they'll give me a signal. They're done. They will compare notes. Unfortunately, clapping will not count. So let's wait for the results of the judges. So for the meantime, I'll give you can sit down. Thank you. And good luck to all of you. So.